Alright, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed that real quick ASMR style unboxing of the Google Pixel XL. That's right, y'all. We back with another one. And these are going to be my two main daily drivers as soon as I finish the full review and the versus video of these two devices right here. So this is the Samsung Galaxy M20 right here. As soon as I finish the full review on this, and I'm going to make that go up against the battery king himself, the undisputed battery smartphone champion, the Moto G7 Power. Right? So as soon as I finish this full review and this versus video right here, then these two devices right here, these two bad boys right here, the iPhone 6s Plus inside of the Subcase Unicorn Beetle series right there. Bam, look how that reflects off the light. That's cold right there. Boom. Perfect product placement right there. Bow, baby. And the Google Pixel XL inside of the IBlason Case will be my two main daily drivers. And I can really put these two side by side and put them to the test. And because, you know, I've been really wondering which OS or which platform or which ecosystem is better. Is iOS better for its simplicity and its ease of use, the unlimited video recording, the always constant updates, okay, and security patches. With the Touch ID, or is Google better with their full range of customizations, routing options, all that good stuff, really good stills photos, headphone jack? They both got headphone jacks, that's nothing new. So I've been really wondering which one is better. And you know, I've been using the iOS device with my main SIM in it, and I've been running my 2 testing SIMs inside of the Moto G7 Power and the Samsung Galaxy M20. Right now I actually have my 2 tester SIMs inside of the M20 right there. So as y'all can see, let me get that to focus. We got T-Mobile and AT&T inside of the M20 rocking. Alright? So I've been really wondering, man, like, which platform, which OS is better? Okay? So am I going to be able to choose a winner? I don't know. I might just end up running them both. But we won't actually find out which platform I think is better until we get through the other videos. So I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I was going to speed it up, but there was just something so hilarious about the quiet portion at the beginning. So y'all are going to see all of this completely untouched. I might throw in some music, I might not, I don't know. But let me know what y'all think. Who do y'all think is going to come out on top? Do you think the iPhone is going to beat the Pixel? Do you think iOS is going to beat Android? Or do you think it's going to be a tie? Or better yet, are you the type of user that uses both and you just think it's going to be, you use what's best for you? Let me know who you think is going to win this overall comparison down below in the comments. Alright? Let's have a nice, respectful conversation down there. And just let me know, what are some features you feel that iOS does better over Android? And what are some features you feel Android does better over iOS? I'm really interested to see what y'all come up with. Anyways, I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll catch you guys and gals in the next video. Peace, everybody. Whew, I just couldn't resist picking up another one for that price. I'll throw the price up in the somewhere in the video so y'all know how much I paid for this. And I also throw up the price that I paid for this, just so y'all can see the difference in pricing. Whew, I couldn't resist, y'all. Anyways, have a good one, y'all. I'm out. Peace.
Perfect.